Um, Hello, I am Brian May, and this is my screencast for the digital literacy badge. Here I have listed what I believe to be the two keys to being digital literate. First and foremost, there are the 21st century skills, which I've listed in no particular order, and then followed by that is digital literacy, and I will define each of these as such. For the 21st century skills, um, there are six skills that are considered under this category, and they are creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, problem solving, and ethics. Um, a lot of people could probably argue that they could say critical thinking or communication or any other aspect of this is more important than the others, but I'm going to argue that they're all equally important. I believe for example, one can be very good at critical thinking and problem solving, but they might not be able to communicate the results to their peers adequately, and without doing so, they can't utilize all these skills and become digitally literate. Now, the idea of being digitally literate is that teachers need to develop these 21st century skills themselves and understand them so they can inspire their students to become digitally literate by having these skills that are deemed applicable and useful for the coming years of um, working. And being digital literate is not just having these skills, but also understanding how technology works, what technology to use, and when to use it, and also how to use it ethically, because there's a lot of ways you can be efficient, if you will. Like for the Shadow Scholar, for example, he was a very good writer and he was able to be very knowledgeable on multiple subjects, but most people would argue he's not doing something ethical by writing other students' papers. So, um, in conclusion, I believe teachers should discuss these 21st century skills with their students and point out that even though all six of these skills could probably be argued that one's more important than the other, depending on the perspective of each presenter, I believe they are all equally important, and you need all six of them to become digitally literate in today's society.